Good morning, students. I hope you all are doing well at your places. And today we'll be doing a very interesting chapter, that is the sentence. देखिए sentence कैसे बनता है, जब हम words को group कर देते हैं उसी को हम क्या बोलते हैं, sentence. So words की grouping के लिए जब भी words they are just grouped together in a proper way and they make a sensible meaning, इसी को हम क्या बोलते हैं, sentence. And please let's just begin with this sentences. Okay. The title of our chapter is The Sentence, right? Just warm up, you have to look at the picture and write 2 sentences about it. जैसे कि there is a, मतलब आप देख सकते हैं कि this is a man and he is washing the clothes, right? Now just look at the pictures and read the following sentences below them, right? देखिए I plus am plus a plus boy. This is I am a boy, right? This is I plus am plus Vanshika. This is I am Vanshika, right? She's just describing this plus is plus a plus farmer, it makes this is a farmer. And Mr. Aman plus is plus a plus doctor is Mr. Aman क्या है, एक doctor है, right? So all the above words, the above group of words give their complete sense, पूरा sense है, and hence they are the sentences. ये क्या है, sentence है. Thus we can say a group of words, जो कि बहुत सारे words को आप group कर दीजिए, that gives its complete sense, पूरा एक अच्छे से सेंस दे दे, इट इज नोन एज अ सेंटेंस. उसी को हम क्या बोलते हैं, सेंटेंस. तो अ सेंटेंस बिगिंस, सेंटेंस ऑलवेज बिगिंस विद अ कैपिटल लेटर से बिगिन होता है. अ सेंटेंस ऑलवेज एंड्स विद अ फुल स्टॉप एंड अ सेंटेंस के पास एक वर्ब जरूर होनी चाहिए, राइट? देयर इज अ रिकैप, अ ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड्स दैट मेक अ कंप्लीट सेंस, जिसमें कंप्लीट सेंस होता है उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं, सेंटेंस. अ सेंटेंस ऑलवेज बिगिंस विद अ कैपिटल लेटर एंड एंड्स विद अ फुल स्टॉप. हमेशा स्टार्ट कैपिटल लेटर से होगा और एंड full stop से होगा, right? And a sentence must have a main verb, और एक क्या होगी, main verb. Moving on to the exercise, first we'll be doing the correct answers. The first is, what is a sentence? A sentence is a group of words, right? A sentence must have a verb, एक verb होनी चाहिए, right? And a sentence always begins with a capital letter, right? Now you have to take the group of the following sentence in the complete sense. Like the first one is that birds fly in the sky. Yes, this is the correct group of words, right? Next, in the evening, this is wrong, right? Children are playing, of course, this is true. Farmer plow his field, again it's true. Outside the house, this is false, right? So I hope you all understood this chapter, that is the sentence. Please make sure कि आप लोग अपने end से छोटे छोटे sentences frame करें, and please make sure that you have a habit of reading each day, because it will definitely help you out in making sentences in a very proper sense. And please keep smiling and stay blessed. Thank you.